Around 1.5 meters high. In total, the island will be around 3 meters thick.
Dame ese dolor, mozo pacha, Pachamama. Mozo pacha, Pachamama.
So, the islands are made of big reed blocks. Here you can see an example. The blocks that they use are a few meters long. To harvest the blocks, they saw them out of the area where the reed grows. To put the blocks together to make an island, they put these wooden pins in the blocks, and then with rope they bound them together. The blocks will be around 1.5 meters in the water, and then they put layers and layers of reed above it. First one way and then the next layer the other way. Also around 1.5 meters high. In total, the island will be around 3 meters thick. To make sure the buildings stay dry, because the reed absorbs a lot of water, the buildings have an extra layer slash foundation. Here you can see it. After that, they put the buildings on. Because it's really flammable and they want to make a fire, for example to cook, they use wet layers of roots, so it's safe to make a fire. Here you can see a stove that they use. The houses are for sleeping. They cook outside when the weather is good. In the tent that they now use for storage, they can cook when the weather is bad. There are often two families living on an island and they take turns cooking. They told me a story where two families had a fight. In that example, they had sawn the island in two so that both families had their own island. At first, I thought it was an island for show, just to show it to the tourists. But they really live on these islands. Later in this video, you will see that also some live much more modern. A final fun fact is that you can even eat the reed. It's even very healthy.